How to double your chest size. Immediate results. Are you tired of looking in the mirror and wishing for a more defined and fuller chest? You're not alone. Many individuals desire to increase chest size, whether for aesthetic reasons, to improve physical performance, or to feel more confident in their appearance. The good news is that you can start your journey toward a bigger chest today. In this guide, we'll explore various methods and strategies that can help you achieve immediate results in doubling your chest size. Overload for bigger chest. Progressive overload is the cornerstone of any successful muscle building program, including those aimed at increasing chest size. This principle involves systematically increasing the demands placed on your muscles to facilitate growth and strength gains. Begin by establishing a baseline of what you can lift comfortably, then incrementally increase the weight, number of repetitions, or frequency of your chest workouts. For example, if you start with a 100-pound bench press, aim to add 5 to 10 pounds over the next few weeks. Similarly, if you can perform 10 push-ups, try to add an extra rep or 2 each session. The idea is to continuously challenge your chest muscles so they adapt and grow larger. However, it's crucial to progress at a manageable rate to avoid overtraining and injuries. Make sure you're combining increased intensity with proper recovery periods to allow your muscles to rebuild and strengthen. Keep a detailed log of your workouts, noting the weights, sets, and reps, and adjust your regimen as you advance. This meticulous tracking not only helps in setting realistic goals, but also provides motivation as you witness your progress. Compound exercises for growth. Compound exercises are crucial when aiming to increase chest size due to their ability to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This leads to more significant muscle activation and strength gains. The bench press stands out as a particularly effective exercise as it targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. By lifting heavier weights with compound movements like the bench press, you create an optimal environment for muscle growth. Push-ups are another essential compound exercise that can be easily modified to increase difficulty as you get stronger. Variations such as elevated push-ups or weighted push-ups can further challenge your chest muscles. Dips are also highly effective, focusing on the lower chest while also engaging the triceps and shoulders. Incorporating these exercises into your routine at least twice a week ensures balanced and comprehensive chest development. Always strive to adjust the weight and volume to align with your progressive overload goals. This will help you continuously challenge your muscles, promoting growth and strength. Additionally, varying your grip and bench angles during these exercises can target different parts of your chest, leading to a more well-rounded physique. Integrating a mix of these compound exercises will help you maximize muscle engagement and achieve your goal of a bigger chest more efficiently. Utilizing isolation exercises to focus on chest development. Isolation exercises are crucial for targeting the chest muscles with precision and enhancing their overall development. Unlike compound exercises, which engage multiple muscle groups, isolation exercises focus exclusively on the pectorals, helping to fine-tune and sculpt your chest. Key isolation movements to incorporate into your routine include dumbbell flies, cable crossovers, and pec deck machine presses. These exercises allow for a deeper stretch and contraction of the chest muscles, which can lead to improved muscle fiber activation and growth. Integrating these isolation exercises into your chest workout routine can provide the extra stimulus needed to enhance muscle definition and size, complementing the gains from your compound exercises. Frequency and rest for gains. A well-structured workout schedule is pivotal for maximizing chest growth. Training your chest 2 to 3 times a week is ideal, as it strikes the perfect balance between intensity and recovery. To facilitate optimal muscle growth, ensure you're allowing at least 48 hours between chest-focused workouts. This rest period is essential for muscle fibers to repair and grow stronger. Sleep is another critical component of recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, as this is when your body releases growth hormones that aid in muscle repair and growth. Additionally, consider incorporating active recovery techniques such as light stretching, foam rolling, or low-intensity cardio to improve circulation and reduce muscle soreness. The role of nutrition in building a bigger chest. Proper nutrition is a cornerstone in your quest to increase chest size. A diet rich in essential nutrients supports muscle repair and growth, making it crucial to consume enough protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Protein is particularly important for muscle synthesis, so aim to include sources such as lean meats, fish, dairy, legumes, and nuts in your daily intake. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for intense workouts, while healthy fats support hormone production and overall health. Additionally, consuming enough calories to fuel your workouts and promote recovery is vital. Hydration should not be overlooked, as water plays a key role in muscle function and nutrient transportation. Proper nutrition ensures your body has the resources it needs to build and maintain a larger, stronger chest. Proper form prevents injuries. When aiming to increase chest size, prioritizing proper form and technique is crucial to safeguard against injuries. Incorrect execution of exercises can lead to strains, sprains, or even more severe injuries that could set you back significantly. Focus on mastering the basics before increasing the weight or intensity of your workouts. For instance, during bench presses, ensure your feet are firmly planted on the ground. Your back is slightly arched and the bar is lowered to mid-chest level before being pressed back up. This not only maximizes muscle engagement, but also minimizes the risk of shoulder injuries. In push-ups, keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and lower yourself until your chest almost touches the ground to fully engage your chest muscles. Similarly, for exercises like dumbbell flies and cable crossovers, control the weights throughout the entire movement to avoid undue stress on your joints and connective tissues. Using a mirror or recording your workouts can provide valuable feedback on your form. Additionally, never skip warm-ups and cool-downs. These prepare your muscles and joints for the workout ahead and aid in recovery afterward. Dynamic stretches and light cardio can help loosen your muscles, while static stretches post-workout can improve flexibility and reduce soreness. Track progress, adjust workouts. Consistent progress tracking is essential for ensuring you're moving toward your goal of increasing chest size effectively. Start by maintaining a detailed workout log where you record each exercise, the weights you lift, and the number of repetitions and sets you complete. This will help you identify patterns and make informed adjustments to your training regimen. If you notice a plateau in your progress, it's a sign that you may need to modify your routine. You might consider increasing the weight you lift, altering the number of reps and sets, or incorporating new exercises to keep your muscles challenged. Don't hesitate to tweak the frequency and intensity of your workouts based on your log performance data. Periodically reassess your goals and make sure they remain realistic and attainable. Being adaptable and willing to make necessary changes can significantly enhance your overall success. By staying consistent with your tracking and being responsive to what the data tells you, you'll be better positioned to achieve the chest size you desire. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.